I saw the bubbles, then they're gone. Like you typed, then moved on. I waited hours, phone in hand, hoping you might understand. I didn't know what I should say, so I let the moment slip away. I read your words, felt every line, but silence felt like less than a lie. Left on red and left alone, I swear my heart was overthrown. One reply could've made it right, but I just faded into night. Left on red, the quiet speaks, a love that vanished in the weeks. If words were all I had to show, I should have said, don't let me go. You used to write me poems in spring. Now you can't even say a thing. I read your pain between each text, and hated how I left you next. Softly, I froze when I should have tried. I broke what you kept inside. We lost us in a blinking screen. Now I'm stuck in what could have been. I won't wait here anymore, but I'm still standing by the door. Softly, if you ever read these lines I said, know my love was more than just trees. Read. I lit a candle, watched it glow, a single flame you didn't know. I didn't need a gift or song, just your voice, but you were gone. I checked my phone, the time flew fast. I missed the day, I missed the past. Didn't mean to let it slide, but I saw the hurt you tried to hide. It's not the cake, not the light, it's knowing I wasn't there that night. Just wanted you to say my name. I know I've only got myself to blame. Forgotten birthday, silent tear. Still I wish that you were here. I let the moment slip away. I hope your heart still wants to stay. I smiled all day, played pretend, while waiting for your voice to send. I was lost inside my mind, but losing you one time, I'd whisper love in every rhyme. It's not the flowers or the call, it's how I let you feel so small. One day a year and I forgot, and still you gave me all you've got. Forgotten birthday, deepest sigh. I walk this street where we once laughed. The snow reminds me of the past. Your scarf still tied around my mind, a memory I can't leave behind. I saw your eyes across the street, like time had stopped, like hearts still beat. I almost spoke, but words were shy, just snowfall falling from the sky. First snow without you feels so strange. Nothing's the same, everything's changed, but deep inside I still feel warm, like your hand used to calm the storm. First snow and there you are again, standing where we used to stand. I wish that time could let us know if love returns with the first snow.
Do you remember our first kiss? Right here under lights like this.
I never forgot, not for a day.
I just didn't know what to say. Do we try to walk away?
The rain whispers on the glass, feels like time is moving past. We've been quiet, lost in space, but I still long for your embrace. I hear your breath in the dark, it pulls me closer to your heart. Even when the words are few, I still believe in me and you. Stay with me tonight, don't leave this room. Let's forget the fear, forget the gloom. Just one more hour, just one more sigh. We'll hold this moment, you and I. Stay with me tonight, don't let it fade. All the love we've ever made. It's not too late to get it right. Just love me slow, just for tonight.
I still remember how you smiled.
That look you gave me, soft and wild. I never meant to let you go. I've been trying just to show that every tear and every scar led me back to where you are. I don't need forever, not right now. Just stay with me somehow. Stay with me tonight, don't leave this room. Let's forget the fear, forget the gloom.
Just one more hour, just one more sigh.
We'll hold this moment, you and I. Stay with me tonight, don't let it fade. All the love we've ever made. It's not too late to get it right. Just love me slow, just for tonight. Don't go into that quiet night. I'll keep you safe, I'll hold you tight. Strong but tender. Stay with me tonight, hear my heart. Where we restart, I won't rush, I won't run. Let's be slow, let's be one. Stay with me tonight, just
let it be.
One more breath, one more chance. A silent touch, a soft romance. We don't have to say goodbye. Just stay with me tonight. I wrote 100 notes by hand, folded them tight but never planned to send them out, to let you see the pieces of what you meant to me. I found your words left in a drawer, each one cut deeper than before. I never knew what you held back, while I kept walking down our track. These letters I never sent were love left in the cement, ink-stained tears on every page, a quiet storm, a silent rage. Letters I never read out loud, but now they scream beneath the cloud. If I had opened just one line, maybe you'd still be mine. I wrote of kisses, I wrote of pain, of missing you in morning rain. And I replied just in my mind, too scared to love, too blind. I never said the truth I felt, afraid of love I never dealt. So we became just ink and air, a love I'm too scared to even care. If I send them now, would you reply? Or would they drift into the sky? I never knew what you and I are all that's left of you and I. Of you and I. Stop hiding from the light. Still here, loving from the dark. Two souls missing the spark. You're right there, yet so far. Still here, whoever we are.
we'd stop hiding from the light. Still here, loving from the dark. Two souls missing the spark. You're right there, yet so far. Still here, whoever we are. Still here, whoever we are.
I used to write your name in songs, in verses where you'd never belong. I watched you laugh from far away and hid my heart day after day.
I saw your eyes but looked aside, afraid my truth would never hide. I wrote your name in every dream, but stayed silent in every scene.
Unwritten letters, pages we burned,
Stories we missed, lessons we learned.
I never said the words I meant, and now I wonder where time went. Unwritten letters, never sent, but hearts don't lie, they leave a scent. And now we stand here face to face, with all our silence to replace. Did you ever think of me?
Every night, endlessly. Were you scared like I was too? Terrified, but only of you. So here's my letter in this song, everything I've kept for so long. If we still feel what once was true, then let this melody carry it through. But I'll always read every line you'll always feel. Unwritten, but always real.
Every line you'll always feel. If I never walked into that rain, would my life still feel the same? Would I know this ache, this pull, or would my heart be half not full?
If I missed that crowded street, would I still feel this incomplete? You were a stranger, then it's true, but somehow I was made for you. If we never met, would I feel free, or trapped inside of what could be?
both met? Would we meet in another place? Maybe time would still embrace. Even if fate chose delay, my soul would still find you someday. We were drawn like tides to shore, in lifetimes written long before. No mistake, it's how we're set. I was made to not forget. If we never met, would stars still shine, or would they dim without the sign? I choose you through pain and sweat. I choose this love if we just met. If we never met, I'd still find you in poems, dreams, or midnight blue. No matter when, no matter yet, I choose you. If we never met, would stars still shine, or would they dim without the sign? I choose you through pain and sweat. I choose this love if we just met. If we never met, I'd still find you in poems, dreams, or midnight blue. No matter when, no matter yet, I choose you. I came to you with broken skies, tears still hiding in my eyes. I didn't ask for something new, but you looked at me like you knew.
I was healing from a goodbye, forgot how to laugh, forgot to try. Then your voice became my song. Somehow I felt I belonged.
Ooh, love me after the wound, not before. When I'm cracked but I want you more. Don't fix me, just hold me tight. We'll learn to love what's not right.
Love me after the fall, after the burn. Through every scar we slowly learn.
If you stay,
Well, I'm still torn, and something new will be reborn. I'm not whole, and that's okay.
oh hey,
I'll never ask you to be that way.
hey,
I just need someone to stay,
I'll stay.
even on your hardest day.
We'll hold our wounds like gentle threads, stitching love through all regrets. You and I,
A mended art, loving
sports bar.
I'll love you from dusk till dawn.
We're not perfect, not even new,
but this love is beautifully true.
I see the sunrise in your eyes, even though we said our last goodbyes. Tonight we're here, the world's asleep. Just one more night, this heart will keep. I won't ask you to stay or change. Love like this can't be arranged. But hold me close, don't speak at all. Let silence catch us when we fall. One more night, let the stars know we burned bright, then had to go. I'll love you in the in-between, where dreams exist but can't be seen. One more night, no future talk, no promises, just moonlight walks. Let morning come and take its toll.
Tonight I give you all my soul. I won't regret this final stay, nor curse the light that ends our way. Some loves don't live to ever ring, but still they fly, still they sing. Both deep emotional swell. We're not forever, and that's okay. Some hearts are meant to light the way. And if tomorrow pulls us apart, just know you lived inside my heart. One more night before the day we burned bright, then had to go. I'll love you in the in-between, where dreams exist but can't be seen. One more night, no future talk, nor curse the light that ends our way. Some loves don't live to where we're erring, but still they fly, still they sing. Deep emotional swell. We're not forever, and that's okay. Some hearts are meant to light the way. And if tomorrow pulls us apart, just know you lived inside my heart. One more night before the day we burned bright, then had to go. I'll love you in the in-between, where dreams exist but can't be seen. One more night, no future talk, no promises, just moonlight walks. Let morning come and take this tween, where dreams exist but can't be seen. Deep, deep emotion, don't light away.
3-7, I'm wide awake, staring at the ceiling, heartache. Every tick reminds me of the nights you whispered all your love. I hear your laugh inside the air, though you're not really standing there. I left you when I needed light, now I'm drowning in the night. 3:17 and still no rest. My pillow knows what I confessed. I used to dream inside your arms. Now dreams just echo lost alarms. 3:17 and we're apart, but you still haunt my fragile heart. If I could turn this clock around, I'd hold you tight and not back down. The silence knows all we became, the way we ended without a flame. I still recall your lullaby, the way you looked when you said goodbye. It's just a time, a passing sound, but you're the ghost that hangs around. The 17, the hour we lost, a love that broke and knew the cost. They breathe calm, not tonight, not while you still hold me tight. Stove the team, just me and time, holding on to what's no longer mine. The silence knows all we became, the way we ended without a flame. I still recall your lullaby, the way we ended without